Alfie Evans, a 23-month-old British toddler who was suffering from a mystery degenerative neurological condition, died in Liverpool on April 28, just 5 days after he was taken off life support against his parents' wishes. Alfie's story made national headlines when his parents, Kate James, 20, and Thomas Evans, 21, became involved in a lengthy legal battle to try and keep him alive, to try different treatments even though he was in a semi-vegetative state for over a year, and they went to court to try and fight for their little boy's life. They lost all legal rights in a series of shocking court rulings over the past few months, which allowed the hospital to withdraw life support from Alfie whenever they wished. Here are 5 things you should know about little Alfie and this heartbreaking case. 1. He first checked into the hospital in December 2016 and never left. Alderhay Children's Hospital in Liverpool, England assisted Alfie with a ventilator until they withdrew it on April 23 due to the court ruling that took away the parents' rights to keeping him on it. Alfie survived on his own for 5 days after the life support was taken away before he ultimately passed away on April 28. 2. Although he was born healthy and on time in May 2016, his parents soon noticed something was not right. Alfie couldn't accomplish major milestones such as lifting his head, keeping eye contact with others, and eating with his hands. At first, doctors suspected he was just a late developer but became more concerned when he started getting infections and suffered from spasms, according to a Just Giving fundraiser page for little Alfie. 3. His sad case garnered the attention of many, including Pope Francis. The religious leader voiced his support in letting Alfie's parents have a chance to save their son when he posted a public tweet. Moved by the prayers and immense solidarity shown little Alfie Evans, I renew my appeal that the suffering of his parents may be heard and that their desire to seek new forms of treatment may be granted. The tweet read. He also publicly spoke out about Alfie's death on Twitter shortly after his parents announced his passing. I am deeply moved by the death of little Alfie. Today I pray especially for his parents, as God the Father receives him in his tender embrace. The tweet said. 4. Alfie's parents were trying to take him to Italy to try new treatments just before his death. The Italian Defense Ministry had a plane ready to take Alfie to Rome at the Vatican's Bambino Gesù Pediatric Hospital for further treatment if an additional court hearing on April 24 voted in the parents' favor, but sadly it did not, according to a report by People. Britain's Supreme Court and the Human Rights Court ruled that it would be pointless to send Alfie to Italy, and doctors complained that it would be inhumane and unkind to keep him on life support. 5. Alfie's parents officially announced his sad passing on Facebook on April 28 with heartfelt messages. Our baby boy grew his wings tonight at 2:30 a.m., his mother, Kate, wrote in her post. We are heartbroken. Thank you everyone for all your support. Blue heart. My gladiator laid down his shield and gained his wings at 2:30. Disappointed face. Crying face. Disappointed face. Crying face. Disappointed face. Absolutely heartbroken. Broken heart. Crying face. I love you my guy. Blue heart. Blue heart. Blue heart. Man. Boy. Man. Boy. His father, Thomas, said in his post. Alderhay Hospital, where Alfie died, also announced a memorial for the sweet boy. We feel sure people will wish to place tributes to Alfie along with messages of support for Kate and Tom, the hospital said. To ensure there is sufficient space for these and to ensure the safety of all those who wish to visit, we have secured a suitable place in Springfield Park situated next to Alderhay Hospital. This is on the advice of Merseyside Police. Our healing wishes are with Alfie's parents, other family members, and anyone else affected by his passing.